People love to say you got lucky, but what if luck doesn't exist at all? Here are 10 facts that quietly destroy the idea of luck. Number 1. Luck is often the label other people use when they only see the outcome. People don't call their own success luck, they call your success luck, because they didn't see the years of preparation behind it. Number 2. People say luck when they don't understand the process. If they can't explain how something happened, they assume it was random. Number 3. What looks like luck shows up more often when you try. The more attempts you make, the more lucky moments appear. That's not magic, that's probability. Number 4. Timing only rewards readiness. Opportunities don't help the unprepared, they amplify what's already there. Number 5. Luck disappears the moment responsibility starts. Blaming luck feels safer than admitting you didn't act. Number 6. Most people called lucky were just consistent. They kept showing up long after motivation was gone. Number 7. Luck fades, effort compounds. Luck is random, effort builds momentum. Only one of them scales. Number 8. People who rely on luck stay passive. People who build systems keep moving even on bad days. Number 9. What you call bad luck is often just a feedback. Missed chances teach faster than comfortable wins. Number 10. Luck is a story we tell to protect our ego. Because if it's luck, we don't have to change. If luck doesn't exist, then responsibility replaces it. That's uncomfortable, but powerful. Do you believe in luck or do you believe in effort? Write just one word and be part of the social commitment.